everyone, it's Barbara. So today is Tuesday, the week of Christmas, and I am about to head out to run some errands. We are going to my daughter's house for Christmas Eve. She is hosting for the first time. She had a baby this year, so she wants to start tradition and have Christmas there. So we are headed over to her house, and I am in charge of making mac and cheese, homemade mac and cheese, and stuffing. I'm gonna make two different kinds since we have vegetarians. I'll make it without the sausage, and then for the meat eaters, I'll make one with sausage. So I need to go pick up some stuff to make that. Okay, so for my top today, I am wearing a puff sleeve one shoulder top from Zara. I got it, I think, last year. And then I have it paired with these girlfriend jeans that I just got from Banana Republic. I love them, and what I love about them is that they are mid to low rise, which I'm preferring these days. I love them, but I will say they do stretch out at the end of the day. So I would, if you're interested in the girlfriend jeans from Banana, I would size down. And then let me pan down and show you my shoes. So for shoes, I'm wearing these dark green sequin heels. I hope you can see the sparkle. I got these last year at Dillard's, and they are, I think, Gianni Bini. And then for accessories, my belt is from Zara. That's got the little crystals around it. I got it recently. And then for jewelry, I have on my Davidson initial necklace that I love so much, and then of course my usual Walmart 3-strand necklace, and then my pave ring. And for my bracelets today, super simple. I have on my tennis bracelet, which I never take off, and then these cute little beaded bracelets that a couple of my girlfriends got me for my birthday. So that is it for my quick outfit of the day. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.